Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up WireGuard VPN on VPS for remote access step by step clearly. First, log into your VPS using SSH. Use a terminal or command prompt for this access. Enter the command SSH root at your _VPS_IP. Replace your _VPS_IP with the actual IP address of your server. Once logged in, update your package list. Run the command sudo apt update. Now, install WireGuard by executing sudo apt install WireGuard. After installation, generate server and client keys. Use the command wg-gen-key server on. Save the private and public keys in a secure location. Next, create the WireGuard configuration file. Run the command sudo nano /etc/wireguard/wg0.conf. In the configuration file, add the following lines. Set the interface section, interface. Specify the private key equals your _server_private_ key. Set the IP address equals 10.0.0.0.1/24. Then, add the post up and post down lines. Include post up equals ziptables of ~i% accept. And post down equals ziptables d ~i% accept. Now, define the peers section for the client. Use peer. Add the public key for your client. Public key equals your _client_public_ key. Set the allowed IPs. Allowed IPs equals 10.0.0.2/32. This allows the client to connect to the VPN. Next, start and enable the WireGuard service. Run the command sudo systemcll start wgquick at wg0. Then, enable it to start on boot, sudo systemcll enable wgquick at wg0. Check WireGuard status with sudo systemcll status wgquick at wg0. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.